Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NBC Sports step by step clearly. To activate NBC Sports, start by opening your device. Ensure that you have a compatible device, such as a smart TV, streaming device, or mobile device. Next, download the NBC Sports app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Launch the NBC Sports app after it is installed. You will be greeted with the app's main screen. Look for the option that says Sign In and select it. Choose your cable or satellite provider from the list presented. If your provider is not listed, you may need to check their website for activation details. Once you select your provider, a unique activation code will appear on your screen. Leave the app open and open a web browser on another device. Visit the NBC Sports activation website, which is usually nbc.com/activate. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV or device. After entering the code, click the Continue button. You will be prompted to sign in using your cable provider credentials. Enter your username and password for your cable provider to complete the process. Once you are successfully logged in, return to the NBC Sports app on your device. You should see a confirmation that your account has been activated. Now you can start enjoying live sports and events available through the NBC Sports app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.